Hello, tutor and partners. I'm going to explain another tool. In this case, it's a presentation in Canva. These presentations are very interesting, very attractive for the students, and choose this tool. But at the end, the app have to pay some images and explain this topic in a video too. First, I create my presentation. There are many fonts and different texts, images. It's a good presentation for these classes. First, I'm going to explain my course, structures to use to. Some more presentation. Okay. Structures to use to. Used to grammar is an explanation. The verb used to is a marginal modal verb. Unlike the other modal verbs, it is only found in the past tense. Therefore, when it is used with to make negatives and questions, the forms of the auxiliary verb is always did. Used to is used as follows: to describe an activity or a state that happened many times in the past. Examples: Gary always used to go for a run before breakfast. Peter didn't used to say things like that when I knew him. Okay, continue. Uses an introduction. Use as follows: to describe an activity or a state that happens. Okay, to refer to an activity or state that was true in the past but is no longer true. I used like to rock climbing when I was younger. You didn't know to be so stressed. Used to takes the following forms. The form used to is used with all subjects. Examples: I, you, you, we, you, he, she, they. I used to, we used to, you used to, we used to, she used to, they used to. There are two forms for a negative: didn't know, didn't used to. We didn't used to have central heating when I was a child. Alan didn't used to like children, but it's different now. He has his own. Used not or used to. I used not to be able to wash myself on. Used to not to worry much about money. Things used to be so bad. And the forms for the questions: did plus subject plus used to plus form. Okay, it's a presentation, and the activity is about the topic sleep. First, the students complete the sentences with the correct form of used to be, used to get, used to, and the correct form of the verb in brackets. I 7 hours every day. I really like sleep. I had to. The students have to complete the blanks in the different sentences. Next, the students watch this video about the sleep more. Okay, no open, but it's a good video. Okay. And next, the students answer these questions. Watch the video and answer this question. The question: what are we addicted to in our lives? How many hours should we sleep to feel better according to the speaker? How can be sleep beneficial for us according to the speaker? What can we do to help a better sleep? List the ideas from the video. It's about the sleep. And the finish of the course is the my email, my phone number, and share this video or this presentation with the students. It's all. Thank you for watching me. Bye.